Hello all, welcome to Civil Highways. In this video, I'm going to give some brief description for the career path for civil engineers. If you're a fresher or if you're graduating from the college or you're already experienced, I will give some small tips that I'm aware. I hope it will benefit for you. Okay, so first thing is we are not at all a traditional civil engineers like going to the following the old methods. We are now updated with the information technology because most of the companies are preferring to use AutoCAD and Civil 3D, open roads, in highways, infrastructures. There are so many softwares. So we are not drawing in the manually. So we are developing the models. There is so much development. So the first thing is we should aware about some information technology, what we are adopting in civil engineering, and then coming to the other second one, we should aware about the updated information and knowledge sharing. Its updated information is nothing but we have to follow the some infra related news and within the company and then outside the company from the government, what type of projects are coming and what type of tenders are going on. There are so many things we should aware. We should not sit idle for the same work we are doing. Aware. And the third one is health and safety related works. This is a new emerging technology. It's not technology, it's a new emerging area, so where the freshers can focus. So the opportunities are more on that because uh, we are progressing like anything for like a construction process, like something like per day 20 kilometers, 25 kilometers we are constructing in India. But at a time, safety is a more concerned one. We are lacking behind that. If you focus on that area, it will be very good for you. Okay, this is like CDM regulations and HSE in UK. There are special rules for that. When you are going to site, what type of risk assessments we have to follow. There are so many things. If you focus on those, it will be a very good for the career, for career. And then even I see instead of civil engineers, career appraisal method, or training attribute, whatever. So there is a specific section, specific attribute you have to do in this health and safety related works. You have to show the proofs. Okay, what type of checks you have, what type of risk assessments you have followed. There are so many things you have to do that. So it's an emerging area. Try to focus on those. So first thing is information technology, and then updated information, knowledge sharing, whatever you know, and share with others. And third one is health and safety related. And then coming as a surveyor as a career, so you should aware about the drone based GPS system, and then what type of process survey once the data received, what type of checks you have to do, and how they are interpreting the data. Those techniques you should get a brief idea. That's enough, because once you join the company you will get a clear idea. So this is one thing. And then if you're joining as a heavy engineer, you should aware about these software tools. And then for drainage, windays, micro drain, there's every for every stream there will be a specific technology tool you should aware. Okay, these are the streams and related softwares. You can have a look on it and you just have a brief idea. No need to be full-fledged idea. Okay, so that is one thing. Uh, and then coming to the, yeah, keep updated information, never isolated to working area, reach out to anyone, everyone across the globe using LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the one of the best source. You'll get what various type of art articles. Okay, coming to, I'll show you one of the basic best author. He used to post so many things on the latest technology in highways and construction process and checkings. There are so many things. I'll show you in the next slide. Okay, and then knowledge sharing, adoption, best practices, and lesson learning from other disciplines. Share your knowledge, best practices, and innovation with others to get more clarity. Okay, share your knowledge. Okay, always you should not hide your knowledge. You should just share with them. You'll get a clear idea. And then the third one, yeah, as I said, he's the one Muhammad Butti. He used to keep so many very good articles in the LinkedIn. You can have a look. These are the one of the best articles. And then some YouTube channels also there. Yeah, this is the one Powertrain. So he used to give so many updates on the what's going on in India, and then case studies. Okay, case studies why satellite maps in India are blur compared to the other countries. So he given a beautiful lectures and explanation in these videos. Okay, you can have a look on this channel. And then one more is, let me show you. Yeah, this one, TechnoCivil. TechnoCivil also one of the good channel which explains the process of construction, especially expressways, all those stuff. Okay. Now coming to the health and safety related. path. Here, civil engineers need to prove themselves with adequate knowledge of health and safety principles and risk assessment, mitigation process, and CDM regulations, etc. Okay, as explained, this is a new emerging area we should focus because there are plenty of opportunities coming on, because the next is safety. We are so much developed in the construction process and everything. The main leg is in India is safety related. Okay, once once you get a knowledge on this, we'll have a good demand for this. Okay, for these roles. Yeah, fresh talents can develop their credentials in this field, can make a good path. So good path. That's it, guys. It's a basic information idea, uh, how we have to progress in our career, either experienced or fresher. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.